How to clear cache on Windows 11 for laptop and PC. Hey guys, I'm going to show you 3 ways to clear cache on Windows 11. Make sure you try the second one, it really helps. For the first method, start by typing settings in the bottom search bar. Then open settings. Go to the system option. If you don't see it right away, click the 3 lines at the top to find it. Once in system, scroll down and click storage. Here go to temporary files. You'll see a lot of options like thumbnails, temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, and more. Select all of them. Deleting these files can help fix cache problems on Windows 11. Then click Remove Files and confirm by choosing Continue. Now for the next method, which you really should try. Right-click on the Start menu and open Terminal Admin. Run this command, IP protocol configuration /flushtons. This only clears the DNS cache, which can fix website loading or connection problems. Finally, don't skip this last step. Type stressit.exe in the search bar and open the app. This resets the Microsoft Store cache, which can fix issues with downloading, updating, or opening apps without deleting any installed apps. Got any problems? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.